If you're experiencing issues with Google search on Safari on your iPhone, it can be frustrating. If you found that your Google search is not working on your Safari browse, then try out these quick steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Solution 1. Active Google for search engine. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Apps, scroll down, find out Safari browser, tap Search Engine, select Google. This already selected Google. Then select Yahoo. After that, select Google again. Solution 2. Clear Safari cache and website data. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, tap Apps, find out Safari browser, tap Clear History and website data. Confirm by tapping Clear History and Data. This can resolve issues caused by cached data. Solution 3. Disable Safari extensions. Find out Safari browser, scroll down and tap on Extensions. Toggle off any active extensions or remove them. Extensions can interfere with search functionality. By following these steps, you should be able to fix issues with Google search on Safari on your iPhone. If the problem continues, consider contacting Apple support for further assistance.